how to tie your shoes in 2 different ways. So first, we're going to start with the first way, which is the one way. So, right now...
Do you have a story? Is there a story that you can teach us?
Yeah.
Like to remember how to do this?
Yes, it's a story about a bunny and a fox.
Oh, okay.
So once there was a bunny.
Mm-hmm.
A bunny. A little bunny. But then it was a fox.
Mm-hmm.
Then they went under, over, then a knot came.
Oh, wow. A knot came.
So they got stuck. But then that's when the bunny had an idea. So it was 2 bunnies. Well, really one. And then wrapped around and made another bunny.
Oh, wow. He wrapped around. He made another bunny. Gotcha. Okay, cool.
And then it went inside of this little cave.
Oh, the cave. Wow.
And then the other one, and it got stuck again.
Oh, it got stuck again? Wow.
But then it's another double knot.
Double knot.
It's a double knot, so they all got stuck.
They all got stuck. So they were like stuck together as a family, like forever?
Yes.
Oh.
And that's one way. I got the other one
Okay.
right here.
All right.
So I'm going to do a different story. So once there was a bunny and a fox. Then they went inside this house. And they got stuck again. But then 2 bunny ears. 2 bunny ears. Okay, and then they wrapped around. Then it was this little hole.
Oh, wow.
One went inside the hole.
Oh.
And then stuck again.
Oh, wow.
But still, they all stuck as a family.
Oh, they were stuck as a family.
That's how you tie your shoe.
That is amazing.
I hope you learned, and make sure you don't give up. And keep trying, and you'll get better.
Yes. What a beautiful, encouraging message.
And also, practice makes progress.
Oh, how
So
amazing.
every time if you tie a shoe and you mess up, you can still fix the mess. You can just undo it and then do it again, and you might do it. But if it keeps happening, you do it over and over and over. If you still don't get it, you can ask the grown-up.
Aw, so sweet.
But if that happens every day, one day you should try and probably you'll get better, because probably if you keep practicing and you might watch a video about it, probably you will learn.
Yeah, that's amazing.
And make sure you like and subscribe.
Alrighty. Thanks a lot, Ava. We appreciate you, Baeba.
Okay. Now let's do this.
Also, right now, guys, you're just untying the shoe.
Serious? Are you? Welcome. Today we're gonna be tying shoes 2 different ways. Go up. Put your left leg. You don't know your left and right. You could just the Pledge of Allegiance. Left.
It's right.
And then this. Right.
If that's your left hand.
Yeah, you got them mixed up. Oh, this. We'll do the easy one.
That's too bad.
Today we're gonna be. Now you have to tie your shoes in different ways. So, still fix it.
Because
Because it's not like your life's over if something wrong happens. Practice makes progress. Kind of a little hard. But
What?
I know you can do it because practice makes
Progress.
yes, it does. Okay, so if on both of my videos I'm going too fast, you can pause it. I hope you learned everything. Make sure you like and subscribe. All the funny things in the first one, I hope they'll make you laugh. Even if I never post it yet, that's okay. You can still watch another one before I post mine.
Thank you for watching Learning with Baeba.